Flying high, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, yeah. And I'm feeling good.
Legends never tell.
Fall 7 times, stand up 8. This quote has been the story of my life. Magkakamali at matututo. Babagsak pero patuloy na babangon. Iniisip na sumuko na lang pero patuloy na lalaban. Because I believe God's empowering never ends, steadfastly into success. Dating nurse by profession, supervisor sa isang call center company, ngayon proud agent of hope. Wala namang madali. Lahat ng bagay sobrang hirap. Pero once nakita mo ang isang bagay na sobrang worth it, ilaban mo ng todo. Kaya pag nahihirapan ka, may mga pagsubok ka, tuloy-tuloy ka lang at sabihin mo, "Thank you, Lord." And continue to believe that we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. I am John Henry de Los Angeles, proud angel of hope, and I am worldwide.